On the dusty plains of southern Africa lies Mashatu, one of the last strongholds of free roaming leopards. Here, a mother has just given birth. She'll do anything to protect her young. But this world is heating up and crumbling. It's creating new enemies who are merciless and unexpected. A leopard war is about to break out. By closely following a family of leopards for 3 years, we captured some rare glimpses into their private lives, revealing unprecedented behaviors. This is the story of the leopards of Mashatu.